self-giving, self-effacing, and self-sacrificing. So one is not thinking of oneself, but one is thinking of the other as oneself. So all that I would have invested in me, and this has to be the focus, it has to be the other, because now who is doing this? Further focusing is that Jesus in me is loving Jesus in the other. How do you understand that? Look at all the parts of the body. They all love each other. If there was confusion here, then our body, we would be suffering. And that's what some of you may be doing. You're thinking one thing and doing another thing. These are all things that are happening in us, not focused. We have to be focused on Jesus, so that in Jesus we remain focused through Him on the other.